I've really enjoyed the program. I think you come with your own knowledge and all that, and you think, yeah, you know quite a bit because you've done a couple of gardens, but when you sit down and really listen and just have that teachable and learnable spirit, you find out that you know little and same as everyone else, but when you connect it all together, it's amazing. So yeah, I've learned a lot. First seen it at our church, and then encouraging others that they can have the same at their own house, and to know that they can, you know, they don't have to buy their own veggies, they can take it from their garden and then also use those seeds to, you know, rejuvenate again. And it was just amazing.
I think the highlights for me was working along someone who's also passionate about what you guys do. The knowledge that you were giving to us was just like, it was beautiful. It's like some things I knew, some things I didn't know, but it was even awesome when you saw the other non-gardeners be just completely in shock, because that's what happens when you garden. The life under the soil, above the soil, how everything connects. Oh man.
It's been a wonderful privilege to be a part of it, and just people just bringing their knowledge, you know, just sharing their knowledge, you know, and it's really about the table sharing, you know, so it's been wonderful. We can only go from strength to strength, you know, and what that looks like. And even with my tamariki that I oversee, we've got our little garden bed that we've just started up, you know, so it's once again watering the seed and with our little people, and just once again hoping that they will emulate that even in their own homes, so can only be good.
To be honest, I saw this listed on Facebook but I think it found me in divine timing, right? Because it found me at a time in my life where I was really seeking purpose and didn't know how to start or how to even think about going down that path. And see, I think what really attracted me was the name, so Seed to Grow or Shed to Grow. It just reminded me a lot of my grandma, who is a planter herself, so it almost was like a divine attraction. So I just came. Yeah, I think the main lesson I've just been getting is that anything you have can be put back into the earth, and that's also an embodiment of yourself, essentially. So yeah, it's not seeing yourself separate to the earth and just living in harmony, really.
I tell you, I was not a green finger right from the start. I even allocated myself to be the photographer. I kind of like sit behind the group, but I literally have been planted a seed. A seed was planted from the first session I came, and from then on I have just been transformed, literally. And if you look over there, this is a garden that's called Gems. I've called it the Gems Garden, which is going to be my safe space, my care. That's what I'm going to be doing.
Grow to Share is living up to its name in every way and more than I could even imagine. For me, it just started with, I had a tiny place and I had no space for a garden. But after a permaculture course, I looked at my edges with a whole new set of eyes, and I went, I can grow seeds. And I can give those seeds to family and loved ones, and they can grow. So this, what is this, 3.0, 4.0 Grow to Share? It's amazing. It's a beautiful thing, and just, it's more than what I started thinking it could be. So how about that? That's incredible, really is.